Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today we're going back in the past. My mom used to make what she called a carrot salad. And so I looked up recipes because I didn't eat it. I was very finicky as a kid and I didn't like carrot salad. So I had to go look the recipe up. I just remembered it was kind of sweet and it had raisins. So first off, carrots, shredded carrots. Heidi Lori from Lori Family Homestead brought me 25 pounds of carrots from their juicing carrots, but we've been canning them. So I wanted to use some of them fresh, so I shredded these with the Salad Master shredder, and they're in julienne pieces. To that, we're going to add about a spoonful of sugar. Then we're going to add the rest of the raisins that I have. It's probably about half a cup. To that, we're adding, this is pineapple, crushed pineapple, so it's the juice and everything. And I'm going to add probably about 3 spoonfuls, and then some of the juice we're just going to pour over. Maybe 3 spoonfuls of juice. To that, we're going to add about a tablespoon of mayonnaise, a good whopping tablespoon. And if we need more, we will add it. And you just mix this up. This is a simple, easy recipe for the summer. And my mom served it. Here in the South, this was a staple. This is something that if you had the preacher coming over for lunch, or it was some social at the church, or a family get together, somebody was making this. And instead of pineapple, my mom would use an apple lots of times. So you can use an apple or pineapple, but I had this can of pineapple, and it goes out in 2 months. The date on it is August of 18. So I needed to use the pineapple. It's been in my cabinet probably 2 years. And we don't use a lot of canned pineapple, but it was there for whatever reason. I thought of buying it back then. And we're going to see if it needs more mayonnaise, see if it needs more sugar. And this is a cool summer recipe that you can do to take anywhere, just like my blueberry pie. Hey, that is very good. It's crunchy. It doesn't taste like carrots. The pineapple kind of overbears the carrots, turns it into a sweet something. Plus you've got your raisins. That is awesome. Guys, this is another recipe from the past that a lot of people don't think about. You guys got these fresh carrots coming in. You got an apple or a can of pineapple. It says you can use water. You can use the juice from the pineapple, or if you have apple juice, any kind of juice, add to it. A little bit of mayonnaise. If you want more mayonnaise, add to it. This is awesome. So, a recipe that my mom used to make. Y'all, I'm learning that things I didn't like in the past when I was a kid, I just missed out, because these things are good. Very crunchy. It's not overly sweet, but it's pineapple sweet. Very good. So guys, try this recipe. You got 4th of July coming up. You got all kinds of summer barbecues and picnics. Put it on ice. Take it out. You can put it in a little container and keep it on ice. Hey, cool salad for the summer. Try my carrot, pineapple, raisin salad. Thank you guys on Crazy Days.